Wouldn't it be nice to manifest your dream life while having fun? My name is Astrid Mueller, and I'm going to show you how to make a DOODLE-DALA that anyone can do, and you can literally set your dream life manifesting wheels in motion with it. So here's a quick glimpse of what I'm talking about. And before I say anything more, I haven't even said hi. My name is Astrid Mueller, and I'm all about possibility. I'm a coach to change makers and also author of the book Permission to Sparkle, which is currently in the making. And a DOODLE-DALA is one of the play prompts in there, actually. And I just got really inspired to share this publicly, because this can help you and anyone out there also to create their dream life. All right, so what is a DOODLE-DALA? It is not an official definition. It's how I see it, how I got inspired to make it a few days ago with an inspiration from the universe. So doodles are fun, right? And anybody can doodle. There is no thing going on in your mind that says you can't doodle, which a lot of people get when you're talking about art and crafting. Some people get the thing that, oh my gosh, I'm not an artist, I can't do this. So you don't have this with doodles, because anybody can doodle. And they're fun, awesome, right? Then there are mandalas, which have amazing magical qualities. They can literally transmit healing energy to you. They can help you meditate, feel good just by looking at them. And there are these amazing creative benefits when you make your own, or when you color one, or just, as we'll see, doodle with one. So I got the inspiration to combine the two, the fun of doodles and the magic of mandalas, and the name came to me, DOODLE-DALAs. So let me show you how to make a DOODLE-DALA so you can also manifest your dream life. All right, so how I do them, I start with setting an intention. So first I wrote DOODLE-DALA is with the energy and intention of, insert for yourself what that is. For me, it was peace. I wanted to create the energy and the intention and the feelings of peace. So I didn't write it because I'm going to give this to all the people who are in my tribe of the Permission to Sparkle book. So this is actually one of the downloads they're getting there. So I left this blank. But for me, it was peace. And how I did this one, I just started from the middle. And that's how I feel you can't totally always start a DOODLE-DALA. Just tune into the feeling that you set for yourself and then start doodling. And just start anywhere on the page. But the middle is nice because then you can spread out in all directions, which gives it the feeling of a mandala. So I started with a circle and then the hearts, as you see here, and then I added some diamonds, some swirls that felt like flow and peace to me. So I just kept thinking and feeling the feelings of peace as I was doodling. And this is what happened, right? So what do you do with this? First of all, it's already healing and magical when you make this for yourself, because you're literally giving time for yourself to be creative, and that gets you out of your thinking mind. It gets you into your creative brain, right? And that's where all the feel-good things happen, where you get inspirations, where healing can actually get initiated because you are not trying so hard. You're making space for fun. And so that's one of the reasons why all of this is so powerful. And there's more. So once you have a DOODLE-DALA, and this one could even go on, you could bring in colors now and start coloring over it. Or it could, I don't know, you can do all kinds of things with it. You can make a collage with it. As long as you stay creative and are inspired to add to it, there is no right or wrong. And you're staying in this feeling of the intention of what you want to create while having fun, then it's magical the whole time, all right? So, okay, so you can print it, you can set it up on your altar or stick it up on your wall, and guess what? Whenever you look at it, you can reconnect with that feeling of the intention that you set here. And what does it do? It helps you manifest. Manifesting is all about feeling the feeling that you want to create. And it's a feeling of the thing that you're calling into your life, right? So I made the example peace. Let's say if you want to manifest a new client, for example, you can think of how will that make you feel and tune in those feelings. And then, because the feelings are the things that bring the thing into our lives. That's the quantum frequency, the sparkle frequency, as I call it in my Sparkle book. All of that is that point that really opens that portal of possibility where all those miracles start to happen. And it can literally start with a doodle-dala. I have another example here for you. This is totally wild, and that is okay too. So this is why I thought the name DOODLE-DALA is so cool, because you can either doodle more or dala more. I can be totally symmetrical like a mandala, but it can totally be freestyle. You just start in the middle and you doodle around it, and whatever comes about for you is right for you, right? So there's no right or wrong. So that is my inspiration for you, to create a doodle-dala so that you can create your dream life and manifest from the heart like I do too. And so you can be in your full power and give yourself permission to sparkle like I inspire people to do with my book. If you like to learn more, come visit the link that I'm sharing below. And I would love to see your doodle-dala doodles. So you can come find me on Instagram and use the hashtag below and see what's there. Much love. Bye. Mwah.